What is up, YouTube? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks, back at it again with yet another shoe video. And today, y'all know what came out today: the Air Jordan 12 Retro Easter things. I think that's what they calling them. Released this morning, the low versions. They kind of a little bit stiff on the price, like 200. Like, it don't make no sense. How is all Jordan 12s normally 190, but this Jordan 12 is 200? It don't make no sense. But I guess something about, you know, the Easter promo, so, you know, maybe that's why they're gonna charge us. So we gonna see what the hype is about. It's a little bit of colors on them, so it should be, you know, some look at. I ain't see no in hand glimpses of the shoe, but I see some pictures, so they should be straight. But anyway, so we gonna head to the mall like every single release, man. Every single release, we bring the bangers. We gonna go cop the shoes. We gonna come back to the crib. We gonna see what they look like in hand. See, we gonna keep them. We gonna hold them. We gonna sell them. Do what we gotta do with the shoes, man. It's nothing new, man. It's nothing new. Every single release. Make sure y'all like the video. Y'all comment down below. Y'all turn the notification bells and all the good stuff, because, you know, we just passed 115 subscribers, so I really appreciate y'all. The next stop, 200 subscribers, man. So, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to pull up to the channel, man. And we are only bringing the bangers, man, every single release. So I really appreciate y'all. So let's head to the mall. We're gonna pick up the shoes. We're gonna come back. Y'all gonna enjoy the B-roll, and I'll see y'all back at the crib. So let's get it. Let's go. And we just got back from the crazy packed mall. You know, it's Saturday, but it seemed like just like a lot more people at the mall today. Maybe because, you know, tomorrow's Easter Sunday. So let's get into the pack. Got it from Champ. So let's see what these bad boys look like. Let's go. So boom, as you can see by the box, we got an Easter egg with our Jumpman on the inside. And this is a great box, man. Jordan Brand, continue bringing us these good boxes. We really like it. We really mess with it, man. And on the back, as you can see right here, as it reads, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. I don't want no debates right now, but you know how I feel about greatest player ever. I think it's LeBron. Hey, you know, it is what it is. So right here, we got our size 10 Air Jordan 12 Retro Low, and the colorway reads white, multicolor white. And for our price of $200, even though it's lows, I don't understand why is it low, but it's $200 when regular Jordan 12s was $190. I don't know. Maybe it's the box. They had $10 for the box. So anyway, so let's peel this up, and we got our green paper right here. It's still cement print. No, it's not. It's like turf, and just like, you know, because they're trying to do the Easter egg Easter promo, you know, you look for your Easter egg. So a nice little touch, man. Nice little touch by Jordan Brand. You know, we like it. We like it. So you peel this down, you peel this up, and boom, there you guys have it right here. The Air Jordan 12 Retro Low. This shoe right here is that all over white with, you know, your little blue, little iridescent, kind of, you know, change colors in the light. It has a little, you know, shimmer on it. And this down here, on the 12, as you can see right here, it also says Jumpman, and it's kind of blue right here. And this is like kind of, it has a little like shine to it. I'm gonna try to see if I can get like B-roll to better show it, but it has a little bit of shine to it. It's not like, this part is not all the way white like the top part is. It's really light on this camera, so I'm really hoping that the B-roll shows you guys well of the shoe. So right here, we got our back. It says Jordan on the back in our black, and then up here is in our white. Our toe box right here, you know, we got our regular line stitching, nothing crazy on that. The bottom though is actually kind of crazy right here. Like, this is like, it looks like it's, you know, the same icy soles like they use in the, you know, the 5s and the 6s and the 11s, but I don't know if this will actually get yellow. Like, that's my thing. I don't know if it's, they just like dyed it this color blue just to, you know, match with the vibes of the shoe, or if they actually like made this the same, you know, as the, you know, the 5s and the 6s. I don't know. Maybe it might get yellow, maybe not. If y'all know, comment down below. This is actually like the same, you know, material and the same thing that they put on the bottom soles of the 5s and the 6s and the 11s. Will this get yellow over time? I don't know. It probably will. Pretty sure it will, but, you know, maybe if you know something else down below, comment it. But right here, we got our blue little Jumpman Jordan right here with our 23, same color. white paws on the outsole. We got our carbon fiber right here in our black and our white, kind of like, you know, carbon fiber little zebra print going on right here. On the inside we have our pink on the outer liner with our white little Jumpman on the inside. Just thought I would add that in there. It's a great shoe in my opinion. You know, just to, you know, that summer vibe, that the shorts, the, you know, maybe the ankle socks, and then, you know, just a cool little t-shirt. It's great in my opinion. I really like this shoe. One more 360 of the shoe. Man, this is a great shoe in my opinion, but you know, I just don't need it. So that's really why I'm not gonna go for my size. But you know, if you was into this shoe and you copped it, man, this is a good colorway. Resale right now is not looking too crazy of this shoe. Maybe it's around like, I think last time I looked at it was like 250, 260 range. So, you know, not too crazy. So definitely cop this now. Maybe after, like, what's today, Saturday? So like maybe Monday or Tuesday when sneakers order comes in, and people just start dumping them on Golden Stock X. That's probably when you would best be wanting to get them. Or maybe if you can, you know, find a local deal. That's my opinion on these. But these are a solid colorway. So if you do like the shoes, man, always 2021, where you don't wait on your shoes, bro. If you like them, and you know, there's no like, you know, late shipment. I haven't really heard nothing about like late shipment on these. So cop them when they have the lows, because if you wait another month, they're gonna shoot up. Like the Hyper Roll 13s, those shot up. The University Blue 9 shot up. Like every shoe is shooting up, especially with stimulus checks in and tax returns and all that good stuff. So if you really like this shoe, man, do not sleep. This is great leather quality on the tongue. I just seen this. Quality on the rest of the shoe, pretty decent. Nothing different. You have a Jordan 12, it looks exactly the same. They just cut it low and they made this color. Hopefully the B-roll definitely showed you, you know, all the qualities of the shoe. Let me know if you're gonna cop these down below, you know, because we bring the release, every single release, we bring the bangers, man. Every single release. And man, let me know down below if you was able to cop these. But, you know, just a quick little review of the shoe. Wasn't highly talked about, so you know, hopefully if you did click on this video, you know, you like the content, man, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, you know, you comment down below, you turn on post notification bells, because you know we bring in them bangers every single release. Next week the Raging Bull 5s come out, then it's Hyper Royals, and then UNC 4s. Like, you know, we're going up, man. Every release, you know what channel to click on. Every Saturday or Sunday, we're bringing them bangers, bro, hands down. But I appreciate y'all. We're at like 115 subscribers, so we're on the road to 150. The only way we get there is if you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to pull up to the channel, man. Please do that down below. Quick little 360 of the shoe. Just real quick, little 360 of the shoe. Hopefully the B-roll showed y'all the good qualities of the shoe. If you wanted to cop it, you can cop it. Or, you know, if you had doubts in this video, you know, showed you want to copy, you know, let me know down below. Man, without further ado, man, I'm AJ Got the Kicks, and I got it right here. And we out.
Money might walk, hey, I just might pull up in robes. Chopper make you hit the wall. Shawty got eye when I'm high, so they low. I ain't no Cherokee, but I told pose.